In front of me is OPPO Reno 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is now enabled. To disable it, hit the same No Blue shortcut. Then hit Close in the pop-up. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and click on Location over here. Then tap on the switcher next to Location Services to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!